You think decentralized apps or dApps are just another crypto buzzword? Today I'm showing you what dApps really are, why they are more exciting than ever, and wait for it, how you can build one yourself in just 5 minutes. First, super quick, what exactly is dApp? Imagine apps like Instagram or Uber, but instead of central server owned by a company, they are run by thousands of people all over the world. No central control means better privacy, no downtime, and users genuinely owning their data. Most people know dApps from blockchains, where they are transparent, tamper-proof, and secure. dApps can also use decentralized tech like IPFS for storage or peer-to-peer networks for data exchange. So are dApps just for crypto nerds? No. Think of a dApp as the friendly front-end client like the Instagram app, but instead of connecting you to Meta servers, it connects to a decentralized network behind the scenes. Whether it's a blockchain, IPFS, or a peer-to-peer setup, the dApp is your window to the decentralized system. Enough talk. Let's actually build a dApp, a real one, and it's going to be totally useless, but still kinda cool. We'll call it Useless Chat. Useless chat is a chat where your messages are stored forever, at least as long as the Ethereum network is alive. Enjoy everyone seeing what you think about your friend's mom or your current president, and nobody can delete it or ban you. You can create your own client and interact it whatever you like. Web, mobile, desktop, even in brain-native integration. No hidden payments, no email needed. Useless chat. Why? Because why not? Here's what we're building. A simple Ethereum smart contract to store messages, a front-end using Astro, Tailwind, and Plain.js. Wallet connection with Wallet Connect protocol. Messages load like a chat with scrolling pagination. We'll write a contract with two main functions, send message and get messages. The logic is simple. We have an array of messages. Send message, push your message to the array. Get messages, return a limit number of messages starting from a given offset pagination. To avoid loading, hours in the case of useless chat becomes popular. You can deploy this contract using Remix or Hardhat. I'll use Remix to deploy it. Time to turn this dusty smart contract into something a human can actually use. So, here's our interface. At the top, a chat log where messages appear in order. At the bottom, a box to type your name. No login, no sign up. Just type whatever alter ego you want today. Elon.eth or memking420. Below that, a text area to write your very important blockchain message. It might be a GM or a declaration of war. No, enough of that. Whatever, it's going on chain. You can design it however you want. I'm an old fuck and even remember my ICQ number. So I'm going with that classic look. To make the send button work, I used the Wallet Connect protocol, installed their library to talk to Ethereum, and wired up the two functions, send message and get messages. So now when you press send, your message gets immortalized on Ethereum. Forever. Even your cringe. And that's it, you've just built your first real and possibly the dumbest dApp. But hey, it's decentralized, permissionless, and 100 years. You can find the source code in the description. Also, check out my version via the pinned comment below, where sadly I can't delete jokes about my accent. Okay, building was easy. dApps are already shaking things up. Social media without censorship or algorithm manipulation. Decentralized finance or DeFi, giving everyone access to financial services. Gaming, where players truly own and trade in-game assets. And looking forward, imagine voting systems without fraud, healthcare where you control your data, or marketplaces that can't be monopolized. That's the decentralized future, and it's closer than you think. Got ideas for a dApp? Just visit dapplux.com and I'll help you make it real. So there you have it, dApp built in a minute. Hope you enjoyed it and now understand dApps a bit deeper. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay in tech.